So how to get free sales from YouTube over and over and over again without a YouTube channel or even creating a single video. This is a perfectly legal and ethical hack that you can implement. Like the video, subscribe. Please check out the link in the description if you're interested, and let's dive right into my computer. Okay, so let me show you how to get sales for free from YouTube. Now, I'm pretty sure that you've realized that most YouTube videos, at the end or in the middle of the video, they would tell you to go click the link in the description because they are trying to sell a product. As you can see, there's a link in the description. Now what happens, this is only an example, but what happens if you click on the link to go have a look at the product and a page like this opens up, or a page that says 404 error, domain not found? You can make use of that. You could actually purchase that specific domain name and redirect it to your own domain, and obviously keep it to the same sort of product. But let me give you an example. If you can see up top there, I have a domain called dorapop.co.za. But should you click on it or enter it and go to it, you will notice that it rediverts automatically to one of my landing pages. Now you can spend a couple of hours a day trying to go through every single YouTube video out there and redirect links that you find, but you might spend a lifetime to find one or two links. This specific software helps you find dead links in an instant. You've got full tutorial how the software works. You can save your results. Perhaps you find a domain that has not expired but is about to expire, and you have the opportunity to purchase that domain and redirect it to your product. Let me show you what the searches are all about and how easy the software works. Just as an example, I'm going to use Forex trading training. You simply click on plus search. Now obviously your search type would be YouTube. You would add your keyword. The pages to search, you can do 1, you can do 10. I prefer to do 10, and then I just create the search. You will see it is starting to search for that keyword. It is going to search through 500 videos. It has checked 118 so far. It's found 97 links, of which one of those links are targeted to a specific product. You can see it's going through 403. We've already found 3 links, 5 links. It's checked all 500 videos for links that are not working. Now this takes a little bit of time for the program to properly settle, but let's just be patient and wait for it. Just give it a second. It's going to be so worth it. There we go. It has run through the 500 videos. It's found 245 links, of which 6 of those links are targeted to products. And now we can just start scrolling down, and immediately it has found a domain that is available. This video has had 39,000 views. The domain name is $exchange.com. You can click on this link and let's see what happens. Again, the site cannot be reached. So let's go back. Now you can purchase this domain and forward it like I showed you. And what's nice about this software is you can go to GoDaddy. You can go to Namecheap and purchase it straight there, or any of your own domain providers. This is the video URL where you can have a look at the video. Okay, and I know what you're thinking, you're going to go purchase this domain, but sorry for you, I'm pretty sure by the time you've watched this video I've bought it already. So you'll simply click on, let's say, GoDaddy, give it a second to load, and there we go. That domain, $exchange.com, is available for 189 Rand. We can convert that to dollars. So we put 189 divided by the exchange rate is about 15. So that would be for $12.60 you would own this domain for a year, sending traffic to your offer on a daily basis without creating a video, without even owning a YouTube channel. I own tons of these and they work like a charm for me. I hope this has helped you. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. I've left the link in the description of this video, as well as a link to my favorite recommended education on how to start an online business. So feel free to check it out for yourself. See you next time.